This video is about how to remove a song from your playlist on Spotify using iPhone. Okay, let's quickly open Spotify. Then switch to your library. Yeah, here you can see your playlist. Open the playlist you want to remove a song from that. Let's say this one. Now choose the song you want to remove from your playlist. Let's say this one. Then touch these three dots and tap remove from this playlist. That's it. You are done. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means subscribe and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.